Hello, I'm Yoni Markov of the Law Offices of Yoni Markov. I'm a Medicaid and estate planning attorney, and welcome to the $400 estate plan. People always say to me, how are you doing a $400 estate plan? This is crazy. It couldn't possibly be. This is a scam. It's a fraud. You take the money and don't do anything. No. I'm able to do this because I've streamlined this process. Why have I streamlined it? 99% of the families don't want to pay and don't need to pay for a $4 or $5 or $6,000 estate plan. So I've streamlined the process for those family members. Now, what exactly does this do? So for $400, you get a revocable living trust, which is the center of the estate plan. It signifies your intentions as to what happens to your assets when you pass away. Who does it go to and when? You get a durable power of attorney, a healthcare surrogate form, a living will, which is the do not resuscitate or the life support forms, and finally, you actually do get a will as well. Okay, all of that is your estate plan. Now, that's what you get for $400. Yes, of course, there are add-ons if you want them. For a basic $400, that's what you get. If you want the add-ons within the trust, we can accommodate your desires in that trust. We can create pre-need guardianships so that if you have minor children and you and the other parent should pass away, it designates who's going to take care of the kids. We can do staged distributions. So instead of giving your beneficiaries all of the money at once, we can stage it by age or even by life events. They graduate college, they get married, they buy a house. Those are life events. We can stage distributions accordingly. We have unlimited phone support for life. You have a legal problem? Give us a call. I'm happy to talk to you. And if I can't help you, I'll get you in touch with a good attorney who can help you. And that's what we do for life. It's not a one-year membership like on LegalZoom or something like that. No, lifetime. So those are the add-ons. That's the price. Now, what's the next step? Well, the next step is to download. You'll see a button down there that says engagement. You'll see another one that says intake form. Download those two forms, complete them, send them back to us. You can scan an email or fax it back. Make a payment. There's a Visa button right below. Make a payment right online. And in about 2 to 3 days after we get the documents back, you'll get an email with all of your documents. Print them up, get them notarized. And now you have your estate plan. It's really quite amazing. I actually do provide you with funding instructions as to how exactly to get all your assets into the trust itself so that it avoids probate. What's so bad about probate? Well, two things. Probate is a very long process. 1.5 to 2 years is an average time frame. And the second is it's very expensive. It's 3% of the total assets. So if you have a small house and a life insurance and some bank accounts, you may get up to $500,000. Well, $500,000 is $30,000 of probate fees. This is what the trust completely avoids. Give me a call if you want to talk more about this. Happy to take calls and explain the process to you. And look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day.